What up, legacy builders? Welcome to the channel. I'm Echo, and today we are going to talk about 5 websites to find repossessed properties in South Africa. If that's something that you are interested in, then you might want to save this video so that you can come back to it later. You don't want to miss this. Let's go. Now, before we dive deeper, let's briefly talk about what a repossession is. A repossession is when a lender attempts to recover the amount owed on a default loan by taking ownership of the property and then sell it. The first website I'm going to talk about is privateproperty.co.za. When you go to their website, you will see a list of all bank properties in each individual province of South Africa. And you will see specific listings of how many repossessed properties are in that province. One of the pros of this website is that it does not only list single family homes, but also multiple units, farms, and small holdings. Another pro to this website is that anybody can buy a property on this website. However, you need a real estate agent to submit your offer for the property. One of the cons of this website is that some of the listings are outdated, so it's kind of a bummer and a downside. The next website to find repossessed property is maroof.co.za. Now, this website is pretty cool because it's a one-stop shop for all repossessions. But that's not all. They also provide pre-repossessions, short sales, listing of as-is properties, live auctions, and the list goes on. As an investor that invests nationwide, this website makes it even easier to find repossessed properties and also allows me to find really good deals. Now, if you're a legacy builder, you are in luck because you can see for yourself how efficient and effective it is to find tons and tons of repossessed properties in one spot. The next way to find repossessed properties is to go directly to the bank's website. FNB and ABSA both are examples of banks that have a repossession center on their website that will allow you to find really good deals. Like most of these websites that I've already mentioned, you will have to have a real estate agent to submit your offer. One cool thing about going directly through the bank to find these repossessed properties is that you may be able to qualify for financing through that particular bank. And the banks usually evict any illegal occupant on the property, so you don't have to worry about that as well. Coming in next is Sherriff.co.za that houses properties in which the owner defaulted on the loan. These properties are listed by the state, and some of them do qualify for FLIPS subsidy loan, which is a government housing subsidy for first-time home buyers. Please visit flips.co.za to check the qualification criteria. Also, remember that a lot of these properties are fixer-up, but you are able to wrap the repairs of that particular home into your overall loan. Also, only a limited list of properties is made available to you unless you sign up for their paid version. If you are enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like button so that together we can get this video spread out to more people like us and eventually help them as well. The next website is Gazzette.co.za. Yes, that's right. The Government Gazette of South Africa has a list of pre-repossessions and repossessed properties on their site that you can go through depending on the area in which you are looking for. One of the cons to using the Green Gazette is that it is very cumbersome to navigate and don't have all the pre-repossessions or repossessed properties in one spot. The bonus tip to finding repossessed properties is to go through public records. Throughout the repossession process, there are often various legal notices that need to be filed with the court records office. So visit your nearest court office to search for a notice of default or a notice of sale. Two pros to this is that it is free and you'll be able to get first-hand info on properties before they even hit the repossession database. One of the cons is that you do have to do the work and actually go down to the court in order to get this information. But that also goes back to a pro because it creates a barrier of entry. Not many people want to go through the hassle of going to the court, wait in a queue, and possibly pay for parking. It's a lot, so if you are able to do that and want to get these deals where no one else is trying to get the deals, I would advise you to do it and get these notices of default or notices of sales. If you made it this far, I want you to do me a huge favor. I want you in the comments type "I'm a legacy builder" so I know that you made it this far. I truly appreciate you. Each one, teach one. God bless you. Peace. Be a legacy builder and don't forget to subscribe. Cheers.